Technology waits for no one, and if you're not in shape, up to speed and fighting fit, you risk being unable to make the most of new tech and do with it what your customers need. That's why 3 of our prize fighters have been honing their skills and getting certified for Microsoft Dynamics 365. We're shining the spotlight on our dynamic trio as they weigh in on why the cross-training they've been through is so important to them, us, and our customers.
Technology will continue to evolve and be ever present in our lives, so there is an opportunity to move with the shifting skill requirement that comes with this. I feel that getting cross-trained and clearing my Microsoft certification examinations for Dynamics makes me more relevant to the future workforce and helps Innervate to punch above our weights too.
The cross-training helped me acquire new skills, broaden my horizons, and learn from the best people in our organization, including our CTO and the solution architects. And then I use these newly acquired skills in the real life scenarios, like doing a product demonstration for a new customer, or doing a pre-sales, or doing a consulting work.
I'd used an online, centralized training resource to revise for a previous exam, but had just missed the pass mark. This time, however, with the insights provided from this cross-training, I was much more knowledgeable and was able to pass the exam.
The cross-training is an investment in myself, and that gives me more confidence, more capability, and most importantly, make me more ready to take up any new challenges. It's obviously great for me, it's obviously great for a company, but it means we are better equipped to deliver for our what customer needs.
We also covered how our customers could get really rich, deep insights into their organization by using the advanced analytics in Power BI connected directly to Dynamics 365. We were also shown great examples of how they can automate their processes and their work streams using Flow. Both these areas, advanced analytics and workforce automation, are in high demand from our customers, and this training has really helped me in delivering this potential to them.
I think it's important to have a great mentor and surround yourself with best people throughout this journey. It's also important to make a plan and stick to the plan, measure your progress against the plan. And the key is to do your bit every day, even if sometimes it means that you are only able to do only a little bit. Consistency is the key.
I'm going to continue to seek out new training and find new user groups to ensure that I stay skilled up in the capabilities of the Power Platform so that I'm delivering the best solutions to my customers.
I would say it's never too late to learn new skills, and nothing is impossible. Technology is just a temporary challenge. All you need is self-belief, right attitude, and a little bit of hard work.
The investment that we've made in Jordan, Penendu and Rajat is just a small part of the dedication that we've got to retraining our staff. I'm incredibly proud that we can now count 3 more Dynamics heavyweights as part of the Innervate family. The investment that we've made in Rajat, Penendu and Jordan is just a small part of something that I've forgotten about.
Yeah, exactly.